Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital.
Kofi, my friend Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital.
Almost the same.
No endoscopy unit. Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital.
Endoscopy unit.
Yes.
I see.
No more and no more day or more operations for no more kogu. Me from one pay. I could see receptionist in the so. And what she's telling me is she's not privy to the information. But then time we need draw as my friend around 8 o'clock. My friend now I bet direct me to unit one more. Now many details from there. But our checks also say Saturday we every honomo. It's last Wednesday.
Wow.
Yes, last Wednesday. Enrichi. Yeah, last week Wednesday. Yeah, na Saturday we see.
Oh.
And now, omokataswa no yeah kasa yeah kwofuni bi omukọ ho ya na omukọ yi sa video we dey buy. And this is so bad, very terrible.
Yeah,
dey sa rubber yi bia na dey hwi so na dey free honomo.
Is it leakage?
Leakage. Covid leakage. Leakage.
Roof run the leakage.
Yes. Leakage. Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Baby, you don't know.
The documents in your phone.
I think
for watching us on Facebook, I'm worried as a Ghanaian. Situations are very bad.
If you want to fridge in the sea, fridge in the sea, one in so become a man. I say, yes, and never only na Baba say you super funny na ye wi ya say abobo ye hwene e dey Baba kayo nyema na say and ye hia nyema we ye hia nyema we go fi how much is it going to cost the city authorities to do this?
No, but this is beyond city authorities.
No, me city authorities as in responsible. Yes,
as a country.
How much is it going to cost them? This is the situation.
Is it that dangerous?
Kofi. Na Quebec was
Dabio, leakage where they who?
It's not to work. Kofi, yes, okay to.
No, but this is serious.
Kofi, so not to work. Yes, okay to.
That be when you leakage.
Kofi, it's so not to work. And yes, okay to.
I know, but this is beyond leakage. This is more than leakage. Hey, just say, bobo power. Said yeah, I didn't see a bura inside over there.
It's baby, it's so by a day rubber.
Edition rubber, some cry. As almost the pumping machine.
Bacono, yeah.
By the way, there's almost the pumping machine. Normally, two normal.
So, one baby, so did that.
Yeah.
Now, who the way so the AC echo documents never hold none effort. Here, as a chief executive was a one wine and the sea one was here is when they didn't liquid. Fridge in the sea one me. And look at other parts. The other unit is also a one.
Portable.
Edu tem bia ma chese ohun situation bia na nyema bia reho.
Wow.
Hospital ye kwakwaja ya resawo. And this is what is going on there.
Me worry is so maintenance culture as of mine. Nyame kwa na ado be obeji si a the last time I cast a kwohwe ho. Me bia bebiri wo ho a on say e na ye the maintenance culture.
Sure.
Yes, in Ghana you have a problem with our maintenance culture and we don't take care of niema abano edi amaye just yeni a ekrukura sa ni aye ho ade a bo se tre sam obolo this is serious bremuna mama baby nu bi na fe
yefa asedama aboafo ye de wo mo boa me ye de me mpotemu abre wo na unim se Kofi